Vray for SketchUp is a 3D rendering software that combines real-time and photoreal rendering all in SketchUp. From beginner to pro, Vray has all the tools you need to visualize your SketchUp projects from start to finish. Vray comes with hundreds of ready-to-render materials that you can apply to any scene. With Vray, you can visualize your designs in real time while you work in SketchUp, move around your model, apply materials, set up lights and cameras, all in a live real-time view of your scene. In today's video, I am going to give you a quick tour of the Vray interface. When you first launch SketchUp after installing Vray, you will see Vray interface control toolbars floating on the SketchUp workspace. Or in case you don't see them, you can come up here and right click and open the toolbars manually. Or you can go to View Toolbars, and from there also you can launch Vray toolbars. You can dock up these toolbars at the top of SketchUp UI. Now we will spend some time becoming familiar with the options and tools available to us for rendering our scene using Vray Render Engine. This is the main toolbar of Vray, and the first icon that we see on it is the Asset Editor. The Vray Asset Editor is the place where you can create, save, open assets and adjust their settings. These include materials, lights, geometry, render elements, and textures. And from its settings tab, you can choose the render engine, set up the camera, optimize the render process. Assets are grouped in categories for ease of access and use. On the top of the Assets Editors panel, you can find the materials, lights, geometry, render elements, and textures categories. At the bottom of the Assets Editor, you can find some utility buttons. From the Create Asset button, you can open a list of all Vray assets grouped into categories and select an item to add to the scene. Using the Import Asset button, you can open a directory and select to import a .vrmat file into your library. An already created asset can be saved with the Save Asset to File button. Delete the selected assets with the Delete Asset button. You can select more than one asset by using the Ctrl or Shift buttons. Purge all unused items of selected asset categories with the Purge Unused Assets button. Expand the panels on both the sides by clicking on the arrow. It will show you more options available to us. In the right panel of the Asset Editor resides two navigation buttons. Select Previous Asset tracks back assets that were previously selected, while Up the Assets hierarchy moves the selection one level up in the hierarchy. You can change the view between row and a column via these buttons. The assets display can be changed between a grid or a list view via this button. Use the zoom in or out buttons to adjust the size of the preview swatches in the list.